What's up, Wayne Barron here with Dark Effects Studios, and today we're inside of my LG Q710AL, my old phone that I am now using for my granddaughter. What we're going to do is that we need to clear out the cache, and I cannot seem to find any information on how to do this. So I thought that I would do a video quickly on how to do it. So we're going to click on our settings. We're going to come down here to General, Smart Cleaning. If we get on here, we've got internal storage and memory. We can optimize the phone, or we can go inside of each one of these to find out exactly what's going on. So we're going to check out our internal storage here. It says right here, choose a category to see unnecessary items you can delete to free up space. Now we're going to check out how much space we've actually got on this. And what I've done is that I've moved some movies on here so my granddaughter could watch it while we are out working. And what I want to do is I want to clear up enough space to where I can put in some more movies. Right now I've got 6 movies. It's taking up about 5 gigs. See if we can't clear up some more, mainly these temporary files. Let's go ahead and click on it. And right here we're going to go ahead and choose that one, and which is our cache data. We're going to go ahead and delete our cache data. We're going to see if this is going to update. Okay, and there we go. We got our 7.6 gigs. So we had to disconnect from our phone in order to see it. Let's go ahead and come back here. And everything else looks fine. Let's go ahead and come over here to our memory. Now we can't really do anything there. 0 bytes available to clear, so we can't do nothing with our memory. That is how we clear up space within our LG Q710AL phone. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.